In today's video, I'll talk about my experience about telecom site. Yesterday, I visited a telecom site and there I saw various tools, various devices which is installed beside the tower. So, today we will know about working of a telecom tower and their devices, their tools, their various machines, how they installs, how they work. So welcome back to my channel Learning with Raja and let's start our video. I'll talk about a Jio tower. I visited a site. There a Jio tower installed and there is many various devices are installed together the tower. So Jio tower is operated by a machine called DG. DG installed beside the tower at the ground and DG contains some tools like automation switch, DG switch and GCU etc. Basically GCU is a device which displays how much ampere comes to the tower, how much voltage comes to the tower, and behind the DG there is a complex connections of wires and MCBs. There is only two main MCB. Basically many MCBs are attached behind the DG. So only two main core MCB which is called DG MCB and attached with wires and wire attached with the tower. So when the automation switch is on, then the all MCBs are start. There is no any effect to the other MCB, to the other wires. And there is a 12 volt capacitor attached behind the DG for controlling the DG, and there is two more button attached at the DG, red or green. Red for stop the DG and green for start the DG. And the other device is a power plant. Power plant also installed beside the tower and it contains battery backup. There is lithium battery attached to the power plant, and in the Jio tower I saw there is 3 lithium battery is attached in the power plant, and this battery is for the backup of the tower. In the DG there is 200 ampere fuse attached with this. If by chance any fault comes to the power plant, so the fuse control that fault. And there is rectifiers also installed in the power plant. Rectifiers converted power AC into DC. DG sent the power to the power plant and the power plant converted AC power to DC power and sent the power to the tower for the backup plan. And I also saw one more thing. There is 5 rectifiers in the Jio tower and rectifiers attached connected with the MCBs for on off. And the power plant attached with the lithium battery, and there is 3 lithium battery in their power plant. That is a whole structure of a power plant. And the fire alarm is also attached with the power plant. If any cases power plant have a short circuit, then it beep a buzzer and off that the power supply and the tower working. Our next machine, our next device is Cisco. Cisco is also installed beside the tower, beside the power plant. Cisco attached with the tower GSM. It is connected with the cable. There is a huge connection, there is a complex connection of wires, and it is responsible for catches the signals through the mobile phone. Because the wire connected GSM to the tower and GSM connected to the microwave antenna which is installed at the tower. And when we are make any calls, our phone through a frequency, through a signals which is catches by the tower, and Cisco catches that tower. Cisco help in that process. And the Cisco device, it also attached with a fire alarm. If there any cases it have a short circuit, then the fire alarm through a smokes and stop their working. So there is our some devices which I saw a telecom site. So I covered in that video a tower, a DG machine, a power plant and a Cisco, and their working and their connections and how they work. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you friends.